In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to fix invalid code in Blox Fruits. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. As the name of this error suggests, it only happens when you are trying to use a code and that specified code is invalid. So if you go inside of the game and you try redeeming a code through this window, Reward Codes, you will be able to see if the code that you entered is valid and are active. So as you can see, I'm going to type an example here, quick and easy. Now, obviously, this code does not exist. I'm doing this for demonstration purposes only. And when I click redeem, it gives me the error code invalid. So what do you have to do to fix this issue? Usually, if you are trying out the code and it gives you invalid code, the most obvious answer is that the code is either not valid, meaning that you wrote something wrong, or that it has been deactivated or it's not valid anymore. A lot of codes are temporary. So let's say that they release a code that gives you some items, but it is only able to be used for 1 week. If you try to redeem that code after that week has passed, as you might expect, it is going to be invalid. So to fix this issue, there's not much that you can do. The only thing that you can do on your own to try to fix this is make sure that you wrote the proper code. Besides double checking your spelling and making sure that the code is being redeemed on time on the specified time period, you won't be able to do much. There isn't a workaround to this, and if a code has been expired, you will not be able to redeem it ever again. So keep that in mind. There isn't a clear answer to this. Just 2 things that you can do to make sure that the code works. The first one, like I said, is to make sure that you wrote something properly. So let's say, for example, the code that I'm trying to use was quick and easy. If I wrote this, it would be wrong. I have to make sure that the spelling is absolutely correct. You can also try checking for any underlines, dashes, spaces, and any special characters that might be included in a code. Besides this, make sure that it is being redeemed on time. So for example, if this code here was only available till yesterday and I try to redeem it now, it is going to give me the invalid code. Besides these 2 things that you can do, like I said, you will not be able to fix this issue for expired codes. I hope I was able to help you on how to fix invalid code in Blox Fruits. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.